The Democratic Republic of Congo shattered Nigeria's hopes of reaching the 2026 FIFA World Cup after clinching a tense 4-3 penalty shootout victory in the African playoff final on Sunday. The match, played in rain-soaked Rabat, ended 1-1 after extra time before descending into a nerve-wracking decider. The Congolese, ranked 19 places below the Super Eagles, produced a spirited comeback after conceding early. Their reward, a coveted spot in next March's Interconfederation playoffs in Mexico, where a six-nation mini-tournament will determine the final entrance to the expanded 48-team World Cup. 4 penalties were saved and another missed in a chaotic shootout, but DR Congo captain Chancel Mbemba held his nerve amid pouring rain, and even a bottle held in his direction to score the winning kick. His composure sent his country one step closer to making only their second ever World Cup appearance. Their first in 1974 as Zaire ended in disaster. 0 goals scored and 14 conceded, including a historic 9-0 hammering by Yugoslavia. Substitute goalkeeper Timothy emerged as the Congolese hero, saving 2 penalties after being brought on in the final minute of extra time to replace Lionel. The bold tactical switch proved decisive. Nigeria looked set for a routine win when they grabbed the lead inside 3 minutes. Brentford midfielder Frank Onyeka's low drive took a heavy deflection off Burnley defender Axel wrong-footing Mpasi, but DR Congo fought back with growing confidence. In 32 minutes, Cedric Bakambu's cross caused panic in the Nigerian box. When Wilfred Ndidi failed to control the ball, Mechak Elia reacted quickest, firing past Stanley Nobali to level the tie. The Super Eagles' night worsened when the star striker Victor Osimhen, fresh from scoring 5 goals in his previous 2 international matches, limped off before halftime and was replaced by Ako Adams. The second half brought caution rather than creativity, with Nigeria appearing increasingly content to absorb pressure. They nearly paid the price in the 83 minute when a defensive mix-up left substitute Mohamed Mayele inches away from putting DR Congo ahead. The Congolese thought they had scored during extra time, but Moroccan referee Abdelli confirmed a foul in the build-up, ruling out Naouo Sadiki's finish. With the victory, DR Congo joined Bolivia and New Caledonia in booking their places in the Interconfederation playoffs. 3 more nations will be confirmed this week. In the Asian playoff, Iraq hosts the United Arab Emirates after 1-1 draw in the first leg. In the CONCACAF region, Jamaica and Panama remain favorites, though Suriname, Curio, Honduras, Haiti, and Costa Rica are still in contention. The mini-tournament will see the 2 highest-ranked teams receive byes to single matches finals, while the remaining 4 contest semi-finals, the 2 winners will qualify for the 2026 World Cup, hosted across the United States, Canada, and Mexico from June to July. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.